Talking about specifics of the disc actually getting stronger, there are going to be three interesting mechanisms by which these discs are going to improve their health. Number one is going to be the collagen remodeling. Inside the annulus fibrosus, just like other ligaments, we're going to have collagen lay down there. And constantly the body is breaking down and reconstituting these fibers in alignment with the stresses and strains that they are habitually placed under. And therefore, as we do proper strengthening work, we're going to signal to those fibers that they need to be stronger than they currently are. And provided, again, it's within the right amount of strength or right amount of stimulation, not too much, but equally not too little, change will go in the right direction. The next point is proteoglycan production and hydration. And this is going to be possible to a varying degree depending on the situation in your specific disc. But the body, as it's placed under this load and as the load changes through that disc, we get that exchange of nutrients in and out of the disc. And this is going to help with the architecture, the structure of those discs being provided with the right nutrition, the right raw materials to do the work we just mentioned. Mechanical control and stability is the third one. And this is the ability of your body to actually protect, control and stabilize the segments of the spine or the spine at large. And this is something arguably that comes first. And unlike the other two that we've just mentioned, those two happen on autopilot. When you cut yourself, you don't think about healing, it heals. Your disc is trying to heal every day. And if we provide the right environment, then it's going to do that on autopilot. The thing that we need to actively do is really with this control and stability mechanism. That is our input in the first instance. Because before we start adding load, we need to make sure we learn how to control and stabilize the spine effectively. When it comes to the control of the spine, it's important that we understand that much of the reasons we've had previous flare-ups is because we're not actually controlling this thing. The process of getting mechanical control and stabilization over this spine means that we can protect ourselves on a daily basis from it being pulled off in different directions. And when we talk about developing core and control and stability in that lumbar spine, we very much suggest starting from a position of the neutral spine. And the reason for this is simple. With the neutral spine, we are compressing directly down. So we're putting equal pressure through the disc, the front, the back, the side, etc. because we're holding that spine in as close to neutral as possible. Whereas other exercises, think about knee hugs, child's pose, those are actually bending the spine through its maximal position, if you will. They are forward bending significantly and driving pressure through here, which stretches those back fibers, drives more force on the fluid back through those remaining fibers that are perhaps still just about hanging in there and intact, making the problem worse. It's very much focusing the stress and strain to a specific area rather than carefully and steadily building a resistance to axial loading in a straight plane, which is going to be the safest way for you to start this out.